Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the antenna on a Ram 1500. First, locate your existing antenna on the passenger side fender. You'll need a small adjustable wrench and your new antenna. Make sure your truck is parked safely. This quick replacement is straightforward and requires minimal tools, making it an easy DIY project for anyone. Now, let's remove the old antenna. Hold the antenna base firmly with one hand to prevent it from spinning. With your other hand, use the adjustable wrench to grasp the nut at the base. Turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen the nut. Once loose, you can easily unscrew the entire antenna by hand. It should come off without much effort. With the old antenna removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the threads of the new antenna with the base on your truck's fender. Begin by hand tightening the antenna clockwise until it feels snug. Then, use your adjustable wrench to gently tighten the base nut. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the threads. A firm, secure fit is all you need. Great job, your new antenna is now installed. Take a moment to ensure it's securely attached and doesn't wobble. Then, hop in your Ram 1500 and test your radio reception to confirm everything is working perfectly. This simple upgrade can significantly improve your listening experience. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.